Morning, everybody. It's 8:20, and I'm able to get this out a little early because ADP numbers, rather than 8:30, come out at 8:15, and that number for the month was an increase of 247,000 jobs, payrolls, and that is a little bit lighter than expected at 255, but up nonetheless. And mortgage apps, here's a headline. For the first time since February, mortgage apps were up 2.5%. That's versus down 8.3 last week. Okay, so earnings. CVS with a beat closed 95.98, last 97.68, up 178 or 1.8%. Last night, LYFT, a horrendous miss. Stock closed 30.76, traded down to 22 this morning. Last 23.35, down 7.4 or 24%. Airbnb with a beat closed at 145, down 8. This morning gained that back, 152.68, up 768 or 5%. Brinker, symbol EAT, EAT, closed 39.46 and a miss. Traded down to 34.72, down 474 or 12%. Tupperware, horrendous miss and cutting guidance. No guidance for the rest of the year based on issues in China. I didn't know Tupperware was a big deal. Tupperware parties in China, but I guess if you're locked down, you can't have them. 1401, down 390 or 22%. Akamai also a beat and suspended guidance. Closed 113.80, last 96.60. And that is down 13%, 99.80, down 14. The futures, when at 8 o'clock before the numbers came out, Dow was up 122, NASDAQ up 50, S&P up 16. Currently, S&P up 16, Dow showing an up opening of 114, and I haven't NASDAQ up 33. So really not much difference here. I think that we might have earnings this morning on Tellurian, but it hasn't posted yet, and there was a question mark. Asia and Europe are both lower, and the chart on the screen is NATGAS, and yes, this is a new recovery high. The high back here, as I discussed last night, 819.70. This morning, 832.80. So a big gain there. Oil is also up about $3.50 the last time that I looked, up $4.50 now, 106.88. And this just, this bounces off these lows and off these moving averages just beautifully. And I would also say that looking at this, it looks like we had an interesting downtrend line. Let's just draw it. Okay, trend line. Okay. And it looks like we're coming out of another triangle here, extending that up. I guess I can do that too. It's early. Another classic breakout. The gold is down again, not much, but down. Down at $2.50. Silver down 19 cents. The stock futures, as I mentioned, still basically unchanged. The dollar slightly lower, down about 8 cents. But Bitcoin and Ethereum higher. Bitcoin was down yesterday, again about 1,200. This morning up 1,400. And the bonds basically unchanged, down 1/32. All right, everyone. I'll be back later. We have the Fed decision at 2 and the 2:30 press conference.